Hey, Spirit Boosters. I just made a video for my gardening channel, and I hope I didn't call them Spirit Boosters instead of Gardening Fantastics. Who knows? Okay, not that I'm not keeping up, but I am keeping up. But it's early. Okay, Spirit Boosters. This is a small haul. Oh, welcome back, Spirit Boosters. Welcome back, visitors. Looking loose, passing by, trolleys. Welcome back. Thanks for the support. And I'm glad you guys not forgetting to use that thumbs up button. Thank you for subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and most importantly, going over there and subscribing to my gardening channel. Thank you very much. And I will be leaving the link again for those of you who did miss that last video. The link to my newly created gardening channel will be in the description box and also on my welcoming comment in the comment section. That's going to be pinned. So no excuse for saying, Miss Janita, where's your gardening channel? It's in my comment. Hit that link. Get on over there and support me. And if you have an active channel, remember, I have 2 channels, so that's twice the support, twice the view. More money for you if you're monetized, and more views, watch hours. This is all so good for each and every one of us. Yes. So, hey, how y'all doing with reports of some doom or whatever? The world collapsing because of the lack of fertilizer, no wheat, this war causing chaos and confusion, holdups, creating more supply chain issues. And yes, I made that video the other day talking about they ain't gonna have what you want. They still ain't got what I want. And if I ain't got what I want, they ain't got what you want. Supply chain shortages, issues, chaos, confusion. Now some of y'all might say, "Oh, my store got everything under the sun is here." That's a beautiful thing. Now, y'all need to tell y'all store to send some of that stuff to these stores that ain't got all that beautiful thing, okay? How about that beautiful thing in beautiful thing mode? Let's stay in beautiful thing mode, okay? Oh, like last plate mode. We need some of y'all food over on this side of town, okay? Because y'all that's doing all good, tell y'all grocery stores, whoever they getting their supplies from, they need to share it with the rest of these grocery stores, okay? But meanwhile, back at the ranch on top of the stove, y'all see my little haul here. I went to the Dollar Tree the other day, and when I was out, my plan, I had 4 places to go, and one of them was the post office, which I didn't make. Sorry for you guys who did send something that I forgot to go get when I was out, so I'm gonna have to attempt to do that again. I ain't been feeling so good. Hey, everybody and their mama got their masks off. I don't know why. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Allegedly, everybody and their mama got their masks off. The mandates are poo-fooey. You can wear a mask if you want to or not. I was in one store and I had forgot to have my mask on. Why? I felt like, oh, I was overwhelmed. I said, oh my God, where's my mask? Oh, I feel naked. I felt actually naked. I got out of there so fast to go get my dang mask. I'm telling y'all. Then while I get home and all of a sudden I'm feeling like I got the blue, I'm like getting a sore throat. I got a headache. What? So I don't know. How y'all think about that when y'all forget if y'all do wear a mask? Y'all go somewhere, y'all, oh, I forgot my mask. Then you get home like, oh, I'm sick. Ah. Y'all do that? Anyway, back to the stove, because y'all know I carry on. Back to the stove. Okay, what y'all looking at? Walmart. Is this Walmart? Ain't nothing up here from Walmart. We'll be quitting lying. That's in the other haul coming. Okay. Who is it? Sam's and Dollar Tree. Something like that. Okay, but anyway, not Sam's. The Dollar Tree has some more seeds. Okay, y'all. I tried to bend over to check. I'm looking for the Norris. I can't pronounce that word because I'm not being. I forgot. Norista. It's this flower plant I want. That's a medical plant. It's a plant. It's an all-round plant for all your needs. You can use it for everything under the sun. The Noriceus plant. They had some the last time I was at that store, but I didn't realize that's what the heck I should have been getting. So this time I went to the Dollar Tree. I said, I'm going to get some of that. Now they had, when I first went in there, I went to that first little section I was at the first time. Not recognizing that right in coming through the door, they had a whole big old giant case of vegetable seeds and flower seeds all up in the front. I didn't notice till I went to go check out. So I went there, but I couldn't bend over because my leg was hurting. So I don't know if they had the Norista seeds or not. Norista. So, you know, y'all know Norista. If y'all know how to pronounce it better or spell it better, put it in the comment section. Then I'll let you know that's what I'm talking about. Okay. But anyway, I managed to get these few little seeds. I have some string beans, which I already put in the dirt. I got the radishes because it was looking so cute. I seen people growing radishes. I never seen a white radish. So that was in one lady, her radish was long like a carrot. I said, that's a radish. So I just want to see what they taste like freshly grown. So I hope I can achieve this. And y'all want to see what happens with these seeds, you have to go to my gardening channel. Miss Janita got a gardening channel. Hey! Bells and whistles and celebration parades up and down the street. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, if you want to see if I succeed at growing any of these things, please come and check out my gardening channel. And if you're feeling good that day, you might consider subscribing too. Okay? Thank you very much. Then y'all see if any of these things grow. I got some marigolds. I got 2 things of marigold. I left one out because one was just yellow. Well, I don't know. I got my stuff all over the place. Y'all know I'm unorganized. Ask Mary. Woo. Okay. I got marigolds, lavender. My daughter bought me a lavender and a rosemary plant. If y'all want to see that, you got to go to my gardening channel. I'll have that up. I guess. I don't know. I'm doing it today. But if y'all want to see that plant and want to know about its needs, cares, and how-tos, you have to go to my gardening channel. And I got some more flower seeds. And I got some more parsley. Now, if y'all want to see if I'm going to succeed at growing any of these things, you have to go to the gardening channel. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. If you have an active channel, remember that's twice Miss Janita will be supporting you. It's very important. Y'all, this is a business. You making a check, then you understand. You need that view. You need, you know, they got ads and stuff. All that stuff is good for you. So you got more. You got extra channels coming? That's a good thing. Okay, let me get back to this haul. And also while I was in there, I got some mailing envelopes, some big old 9x12 gold ones. I always put some tape on there. I don't just put that little clip on there and sit it in the mail. You got to tape that thing down, okay? Tape it down. And I got me some Sudoku books because I love doing Sudoku. I love Sudoku. I hope they never run out. Then I forgot I wanted a word puzzle. That's gonna be, gotta go back. And then I wanted some more socks. I didn't do none of that. I went to the Home Depot and picked up a scrubber. I'm not sharing it, but it works excellent. Scrubbing all up and around that toilet. It rotates. But anyway, back to the haul. Okay, y'all can see that pretty little sign back there? That go on my plant diary book. Because if you're going to do gardening, you need to keep a diary of the condition of your plants. You'll learn all about that if you go to my gardening channel. That's all I'm going to say about that. But I got that from the Dollar Tree. Isn't it cute? Look at the flowers. Okay, then I got some bacon. This comes from the Sam's Club. This bacon got the date on there, 12/20, the 22 or the 23. Well, anyway, it's a year's lasting, and this bacon is good. You can make, like, what you make that stuff in the oven, what that stuff called? Y'all make with egg and potato, and you put it in the oven like a casserole and put cheese on it. This is some good bacon. I put it on my pizza. You can make a sandwich. You can make a omelet. It's some good bacon. Then I got some more of that Butterfield roast beef. I made a pot pie with that product. See it behind the radish seeds, right there between the pork skins and the bacon. That 4-pack, I got that from Sam's Club. I thought it was a good deal. What was it, $12 or something? Well, anyway, it's some good meat. It don't look nothing like, let me move these radishes, y'all. Hold up. See how that meat look on this? on this thing can. It ain't red like that, but it's when you open the can, drain all that water. I drain that water and stuff off. But the meat is good. It's got a little flavor. Then you can do several things with it. You can make tacos, enchiladas, beef and gravy, and mashed potato. You know, I got the mashed potatoes the other day, right? But yeah, this is some good roast beef. It's about what is it? $3 a can. That's what it is, because if it's $12, I think it was $12. Don't quote me. Okay, then my husband got some more of these pork skins. He got 2 of these, and then you know I'm gonna repurpose that jar and put some grain in there. And I got the chicken broth is not part of this haul. It's just holding up them those parsley seeds right there. Parsley seeds in front of it. And then my husband, he wants some of that movie theater buttered flavored popcorn from the Dollar Tree. He loved that stuff. I got 2 bags there. You only see one because he probably eating up on the other one. So yeah, this is a small haul, and I just want to say, y'all continue to prep. I know my channel is called Not a Prepper. This is a grocery haul looking like pretending to be a prepper channel, okay? I love grocery hauls, and if y'all do too, invite me, subscribe, and ask me to do the same for you. Don't let me do all the work by myself. Please support back and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Help me grow and help me grow you. And if you are somebody that's already grown up, then come holler at me. Come holler at me. I'm doing it too. I'm doing it. But it's seriously, y'all been hearing about all these shortages. Like I said, some of y'all heard but ain't experiencing it. Like I say, send y'all suppliers over this way to the stores that do need help. How y'all vegetables looking? Y'all looking pretty good? I can't even get a bell pepper. How about that? And the price of celery, the celery was $1 something. I ain't paying. If I want fresh celery, I guess so, but I'm going to have to grow some celery. I want to find some celery seeds because I have been, I guess y'all call it well, see, I can't talk gardening over here. This is a grocery channel. If I call gardening, I got to go to my gardening channel, so I'm going to cut all gardening talk out. I'm just going to say, come subscribe to my gardening channel. That's it. You want to see what I do over there about gardening? Come there. Over here, we talking groceries. So yeah, this is what I got so far. Stocking up some more canned meat, some bacon, because bacon expensive, the fresh kind, but this crumble bacon, it's just as good as a real slice of bacon. Just glue it together with some syrup. That's all. Y'all, don't forget to leave in the comments what's going on in y'all area. Report what's out there in those streets. Ear hustle, eye hustle, whatever hustle. Get down with it. Remember, it's fair game. Watch out for the uppercut. And Granny, too. Granny don't take that. That Granny don't play. Anyway, yeah. So, food shortages are occurring. They got the fertilizer thing going on. I heard an article on the news today. They saying it's critical. It's in dire, it's distress. It's in distress. The sirens, whistles, bells are blowing. Like what Will Robinson, y'all know Will Robinson. Danger, danger, Will Robinson, danger, danger. Y'all know Lost of Space. If you do, hit me in the comments. But yeah, stay prepared. The eggs price ain't no joke. These chickens, meat, all this stuff. I don't know what's going to happen, you guys. But if you can get prepared, stay prepared. Remember to stay in the survival mode, crisis mode, last plate mode. Any available mode that's out there, just get in the mode. Any mode you can fit into, get in that mode. Because we don't know what's going to happen from right now in this hour to the next day, to the minute, to the it. What is it? You're going to find out if you ain't prepared. Okay, y'all, I got to go. I don't want to make this video too long. Y'all heard the message. You know the tip because I already said it in 900 different ways. Talk to y'all later. Check out the comment section in the description box. Use that thumbs up button. Later.